Hello students, today we are going to start our next exercise 8.2. See here, first question. The cost of 14 meter of a cloth is this. Find the cost of 3 meter of the same cloth. See beta, in our lower classes you have done that when cost given more than one thing, like 14 meter cloth cost given. If you have to find of one, you can divide these both, then cost will come of 1 meter cloth. But if cost given of 1 meter, if cost given cost of 1 meter cloth given suppose 5 rupees, so if they said find cost of 5 meter, you can multiply. If more than one given, they said find of 1, then you will divide. But if in a question they given a cost of 1 meter, then they said find cost of 5 meter or 13 meter, then you will multiply. So same here, cost of 14 meter cloth given this, what we will do, write there cost of 14 meter cloth rupees 294. They said find cost of 3 meter of the same cloth. They said to find cost of 3 meter, but first of all always we will find cost of 1 meter cloth rupees. We will divide. More than one given, we have to find of 1, then we will divide. But they said find cost of 3 meter cloth. This is cost of 1 meter, we have to find of 3 meter. So 294 by 14 into 3. Now you can do cutting of 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 ones are 14, 21 threes are 63 rupees is the answer. Clear to all questions like this way in this exercise. See here, Mohit earns 1300 in 10 days. How much will he earn in 60 days? First of all we will write Mohit earns in 10 days. How much he earns? 1300. So find firstly Mohit earns in 1 day. So rupees 1300 by 10. But they said find Mohit earns in 60 days. So in 60 days we have to calculate rupees 1300 by 10 multiplied by 6. 0 will cancel with 0, so answer will come 13 6 are 7800 rupees. Clear to all? Like this way we will do. Next question, see. The cost of 3 kg rice is this. What will be the cost of 8 kg of rice? So write there firstly cost of 3 kg rice rupees 120. Firstly always find cost of 1 kg rice rupees 120 by 3. But they said A part cost of 8 kg rice. So what we will do, 120 by 3 into 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 40 came, 320 answer came. A part. B part they said what quantity of rice can be purchased in 200 rupees. So we can write here in rupees 120 rice can be purchased. How many rice can be purchased? 3 kg. In rupees 1 rice can be purchased 3 by 120. But they said in rupees 200 rice can be purchased 3 by 120 into 200. 0 will cancel with 0. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So 5 kilogram is the answer. Clear up to this? Next, see fourth question. Hassan pays rupees 8400 as rent for 7 months. how much does he have to pay for a whole year? Okay, so what we have to write? Hassan pays rent for 7 months, rupees 8400. Then write Hassan pays rent for 1 month. We will divide 8400 upon 7. But we have to calculate Hassan pays rent for 1 year, that is equal to 12 months. 8400 by 7 into 12. 7 ones are 7, this also 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 12 14400. This much rupees he will pay, 114,400. Clear? Next, see fifth question. A car requires 37 liters of petrol for covering a distance of this. How much petrol will be required by the car to cover a distance of 2300 km? So we will write, we have to calculate petrol na, how much petrol is required. So what we will do, to cover distance of 555 km, car requires petrol. How much? 37 liter. Next, write to cover distance of 1 kilometer, car require petrol 37 by 555 liter. But we have to calculate to cover distance of 2300 km, car require petrol equal to 37 by 555 into 2300. Now you can cut it if it is cutting on 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30. Now next, on 37 table maybe 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 37, 3s are this. It came 460 by 3 kilometer. See here, 460 by, see this 460 by 3 came, 460 by 3 liter petrol is required to cover this much distance. If you will divide it, then you will see, you will get 153.33, 153.33 liter petrol. Clear? Next, say sixth question. In the last 15 days, temperature of a city dropped 7 degrees Celsius. If the rate at which the temperature drops remains the same, how many degree will the temperature drop in next 5 days? Means they said in 15 days temperature will hold 7 degree. If they are saying like this way, with the same way temperature will fall, temperature will drop, then in the next 5 days how much temperature will drop? So first of all we will write, in 15 days temperature dropped 7 degrees Celsius. In 1 day temperature dropped 7 by 15. But we have to calculate in 5 days temperature will drop 7 by 15 into 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. 7 by 3, You can divide 7 with 3. 3 2s are 6. 2.3 degree Celsius is the answer. Next, see 7th question. If 12 liter of petrol is used by a bike in covering a distance of 222 km, means if we have to cover 222 km distance, then how much petrol we have to use, how much petrol is used by bike? 12 liter. Now they said how much distance will be covered in 22 liter of petrol, means now petrol is 22 liter, then how much distance we can cover? So what we have to do, see here, first of all we will write but in 12 liter petrol distance is covered by bike in which, this is question number 7. In 12 liter of petrol distance covered to 22 kilometer. Now we will write in 1 liter of petrol distance covered 222 by 12 kilometer, but we have to calculate this at in 22 liter of petrol distance covered 222 by 12 into 22. 2 6s are 12, 2 11s are 22, 6 1s are 2, 6, 6 3s are 18, and 4 will left 7. 37 into 11, 7 3 7 3 7, 407 kilometer will be covered. Clear to all? Now see this last question. A 12 gram of mixture contain 5 kilogram of zinc and 7 kilogram of iron. Find the number of zinc and iron in 15 kilogram of mixture. See, first of all we are having a mixture of 12 kilogram, but in this mixture 5 kilogram zinc is there and 7 kilogram iron is there. Now we have to find in 15 kilogram how much zinc and iron is present. So first of all what we will do, in 12 kilogram mixture zinc contains, how much zinc is there? 5 kilogram. In 1 kilogram mixture zinc contains 5 by 12, but we are having 15 kilogram. In 15 kilogram mixture zinc contains 5 by 12 into 1500. Divide this 1500 with 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 fives are 60. So when you will cut, you will get here 125. So 125 fives are 625 kilogram. Next we will do, in 12 kilogram mixture iron contains, how much iron is present? 7 kilogram. Now same, in 1 kilogram mixture iron contains 7 by 12 kilogram, but we are having mixture of 15 kilogram. Iron contains 7 by 12 into 1500. Same which way here you have done divide, same here when you will do same number you will get 125. So 125 into 7, 875 kilogram. Clear? So with this question our chapter number 8th and exercise 8.4 finished. Clear to all?